All right, so I had a couple hours today to work on this. So we still have the basics, right? Typical normal chart that you would see, but now I've built in R charts into this. Okay, so here they are. The good thing about this CLS chart is it sort of clearly shows. So you had this massive volume spike here, and then the price didn't change at all, and then the code picked up that the liquidity had changed right here, and then all of a sudden, like you can see it start to squeeze. Like this is where the liquidity actually happened. But even though the volume was here, it took that long for for the bid pressure to actually build up and for this to sort of move. So it gives you an example. I've also added in. So let me see what else. What else can we look at? Something else you haven't seen. All right. So I've also built in the ability that when you click on these things, it'll just show you what the document is. So you don't have to ask anymore what the dots are or any of that kind of stuff. And whenever I get this finished and I get it out there to you guys, it'll just download stuff locally. So when you click on stuff again, you'll have it. But yeah, that's as far as I got today.